Okay, so I wanted to do an unboxing video of the flowers that I ordered online. So I only got some of them delivered right now, and then some will be delivered later, so I'll open and show you guys what the flowers look like. So it just has the care and handling instructions. This is what they look like inside. These are the white roses. I need to get them in the water. Comes with flower food. So then if these are the roses, then the other boxes, the other two I have are roses as well. And then when the other packages come, I'll unbox like the greenery and the white filler. Okay, so that is 3 boxes of white roses. They are a little bit more yellow than I would have wanted, but they've come really nice. So I need to put them in water. My husband is getting gallon buckets right now, and then I will show you that. I wanted to show you the care and handling instructions. I'm just gonna get a bucket while I work because I'm gonna make flower arrangements for a wedding, but here is their recommendations. Okay. Maybe I'll talk a little bit. Sounds good. Open that one. Okay, so this is 150 white roses, and then a box of green filler and a box of white filler.